I'm joined now with Keith. You are an educator in the middle school in San Diego district.
That's correct.
Talk a little bit about what you do.
Well, I teach middle school at a small middle school near Tijuana, Mexico, South San Diego. I'm with the Sweetwater Union High School District, and I recently returned from China and India, where I looked at 10 public schools from K through 12 over in China and 12 public and private schools over in India. And I did this because out of general frustration as a teacher, frankly, I'm playing on a losing team. And I saw how the winners are playing. And as you may know, China's a major economic competitor, and India's really right behind them.
So what did you see different over there than what we do here?
Well, you know, don't kill the messenger here, but here's the main difference, especially with China, because China's so incredibly advanced in so many ways. But the main difference, if we can put this in perspective and talk football, because Americans seem to understand football so well, the Chinese public educational system is something like the NFL, whereas in the United States, our public educational system, we're playing no better than high school football.
Wow, that's a huge comparison.
It's a huge comparison, but it's the best way. They are that far ahead in so many ways.
And by going over there and seeing how everything is done there, what do you hope to bring back here, or what have you done maybe or are trying to do to change the way education is brought? Well,
let me just tell you real quick, the rules are a little bit different. In Chinese schools, particularly in Chinese public schools, you know, it's all about time on task learning, not playing around. The kids know how it needs to be, the parents understand it, and they get right to it. I wouldn't say it works that way over here. One of the things about the Chinese school system, they go to school 230 days a year, whereas in Arizona and California we're doing 175 or 180. So that's about 50 days more per year. And the other thing is they're doing about 3.5 hours more per day. In fact, in the Chinese school system, they start kids at age 2 in kindergarten, and we're starting at age 5 or 6. So in the whole idiom, at the end, this is what it's going to look like. Our kids at typical graduating age is 18. A Chinese kid's going to be about 6 years ahead academically if we go by Arizona school time. And if you go with the fact that there are virtually no discipline problems in the schools of China and India, and I'll say that again, there's virtually no discipline problems, and in China they do about 2 hours of homework per day, the number's going to look more like 8 years ahead at graduation.
Wow.
That's what we're competing against.
So your message overall?
My message is we better get it together here. We better improve education. You know, we hear about education. We better stop talking about it. We better do something. We better do something now. The world is no longer changing incrementally. It's changing geometrically. What are the things we have to do? I say we need to start kindergarten much earlier so we can compete with the top industrialized countries. We need to increase the school day. We need to stop. We need to square our kids away in terms of discipline. We need to run our schools like schools, and stop and let kids know that there are serious places to learn. But there's many things that we need to do. Again, improve teacher performance, but we need to be able to compete with the best countries in the world. And let me tell you, China's no joke.
Well, we appreciate you coming here, sharing your experience and your message. Thank you so much.
Thank you. And if I could just say one more thing.
Sure.
My YouTube site is Keith Ballard 1, Keith Ballard, the number 1. And anybody can go over there, see about 50 videos of what it's like to be inside the schools of China and India. It's really interesting.
Very cool. Thank you for that so much.
Thank you very much for having me here.
Thank you for being here.
I appreciate it.
Keep it here. We'll be right back.